Have you ever walked into a tiny home and it felt expensive? Not because it was big, not because it was filled with designer furniture, but because it felt intentional. Here's the truth. Luxury is not about size. Luxury is about psychology. In today's video, we're breaking down the psychology of small luxury, how to make a tiny home feel elevated, calm, and high-end by design. We're going space by space, entryway, living room, kitchen and dining, bedroom, closet, bathroom, balcony, and I'll show you how small changes create a big emotional impact. Stay until the end, because the balcony psychology trick is one of my favorites. Let's get into it. Psychology rule number 1. First impressions anchor perception. In small homes, the entryway sets the emotional tone for everything else. If it's cluttered, the whole home feels chaotic. If it's curated, the whole home feels intentional. The psychology of small luxury. Entryways, one statement mirror, creates expansion. Slim console or floating shelf, visual lightness. One sculptural object, warm lighting instead of harsh overheads. Mirrors signal openness to the brain. Soft lighting signals safety. Even in a tiny apartment, a defined entry moment tells your mind, this space is designed. Luxury is clarity, not clutter. Small living rooms often feel cramped because of visual noise, not size. Your brain relaxes when it sees clear surfaces, balanced proportions, repetition in color. The psychology tricks, low-profile furniture. Lower furniture makes ceilings feel higher. Cohesive color palette. When colors repeat, the brain reads the room as organized, texture over quantity. Instead of many decor pieces, layer, linen, boucle, wood, matte metals. Luxury spaces stimulate the senses subtly, not loudly. And here's the key. Leave 20% of your surfaces empty. Empty space is not wasted space. It's visual oxygen. There's a reason luxury kitchens look calm. Order signals abundance. When counters are crowded, the brain reads scarcity. When counters are clear, the brain reads control. Small luxury kitchen psychology, matching containers, hidden storage, under cabinet lighting, a single, styled tray moment. Even in a tiny kitchen, creating symmetry makes it feel expensive. In dining areas, round tables soften tight spaces. Upholstered chairs increase perceived comfort. A pendant light lowers the visual ceiling and creates intimacy. Luxury is about emotional comfort, not square meters. In small homes, bedrooms must feel like an escape. Soft textures lower stress levels. The small luxury bedroom formula, oversized headboard, creates grandeur illusion. Neutral bedding with layered textures, symmetry on bedside tables, warm lamps instead of ceiling lights. Symmetry equals calm. Even if you only have space for one nightstand, balance it visually with art or a sconce on the other side. And here's the secret. Make your bed look slightly overfilled. Plush bedding subconsciously signals abundance. Tiny closets feel overwhelming because of visual compression. Luxury closets feel curated. The psychological shift? Display less. Match hangers, color coordinate clothing. Leave 10–15% empty space. Negative space makes items feel valuable. Add soft LED strip lighting, a small tray for jewelry, 1 scent element. When your closet feels like a boutique, your mornings feel elevated. Working from home in a tiny space can blur boundaries. But luxury is psychological separation. Even if your office is a wall niche, a bedroom corner, a small desk in the living room, it must feel defined. Small luxury office must have clear desk surface. Clutter increases cognitive load. One statement chair? Comfort equals authority. Vertical storage. Draw the eye upward to create height. Layered lighting. Desk lamp plus. Ambient light improves focus. A visual anchor, art, paneling, or wallpaper behind the desk signals importance. The key is, your brain needs environmental cues. When your workspace feels elevated, your productivity rises. Luxury in a home office isn't excess, it's intention and clarity. Bathrooms are emotional reset zones. Small luxury bathrooms use warm light, natural texture, minimal surface clutter. Add rolled white towels, wooden accents, refillable soap dispensers, a single plant. Use larger tiles to reduce grout lines. Less visual interruption, more calm. Even a tiny balcony can transform your home's energy. Define its purpose. Coffee corner, reading space, evening unwind zone. Add outdoor rug, soft lantern lighting, 2 chairs max, vertical greenery. When a balcony feels intentional, your apartment feels larger. Because now it has lifestyle. And lifestyle equals luxury. Small homes don't feel luxurious because they're big. They feel luxurious because they're intentional. Luxury is breathing room, soft lighting, texture, order, emotional clarity. Comment below, which space are you upgrading first? And if you love practical luxury and modern small space psychology, like and subscribe for more elevated design strategies. Because small can absolutely mean spectacular. See you in the next one.